In this section, we'll talk about one of the reasons why Node.js exists: asynchronous code, libuv, the event loop, and we'll also talk about streams, buffers, files, and more. Now, it may seem like a lot of topics for one section, but they all connect together. Let's see how. Our first lecture in this section is a JavaScript aside. JavaScript is synchronous. Big word alert. What about asynchronous and synchronous? Well, asynchronous basically means that more than one process or more than one thing is running simultaneously. There's more than one set of code running simultaneously. Node does things asynchronously. We've seen on the C++ core, V8 engine is running, and there's a variety of things happening within Node itself. It's doing more than one thing at a time. However, the V8 JavaScript engine does not. It runs synchronously. Big word alert. Synchronous. That's just one process executing at a time. JavaScript is synchronous. You can think of it as only one line of code executing at a time. There's never two lines of code executing simultaneously. This is a common misconception when it comes to JavaScript and Node. You may hear the term asynchronous JavaScript, but that's really a misleading term. JavaScript is designed to be synchronous. There's only one thing running at any point in time, basically one line of code running at any point in time. But Node.js is asynchronous. V8 is inside of it, embedded, and so while V8 is running JavaScript code, converting it to machine language, executing it, Node can do other things as well, not just let things run inside the V8 engine. So whenever we talk about asynchronous JavaScript, we're not really talking about the JavaScript engine itself, but rather whatever the JavaScript engine is sitting inside of, like the browser or Node, and things happening inside the engine running simultaneously alongside the engine as well, and how the engine responds to things that happen outside of it, things that are happening at the same time. All right, let's keep going with this topic.